Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hi, I'm Faster. Welcome to my online class. This class is conducted by Shonaga Kajifullah Women's College, especially those who are the students of intermediate first year and those who belongs to in that college and non belongs to of that college. No doubt that everybody can see this class, and I think those who are watching this class will get benefit from this class, no doubt. How are you, my dear students? I think all my students are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah, and I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, you know that we are passing through a very hard and critical time because of this pandemic situation. Coronavirus has become the pandemic situation. It is not only a health issue but also an unprecedented socio-economic crisis in the world, no doubt that. The tsunami of coronavirus day by day mutating, and that's why it is critical to find out this problem. And that's why WHO, that means World Health Organization, has asked some special guidelines to protect coronavirus from our community. WHO has already asked that use face mask, using hand gloves, and maintaining social distancing when in any kind of crowded place. And our government has already proclaimed that no mask, no service in any kind of government, non-government or private institutions. Government has already shown a zero tolerance in this regard. Dear student, smoking is a very bad habit, no doubt that if anyone smoking, it is totally punishable offense, no doubt. And that's why every students, not only students but also everybody should allow from such kind of punishable work, because smoking is detrimental to our health, and that's why you should always allow from such type of bad behavior or bad habit. Restaurant, you know that nowadays winter season, and that's why we need some vitamin C to protect any kind of virus or any kind of the coronavirus. And if we get time, then we must basking in the sun. It will helps to keep the vitamin C. This is the precognition of a man in winter season. So dear students, today my topic name is preposition. Today I shall decorate my lecture with a diagram behind my whiteboard. Today I shall discuss preposition with a diagram. In this diagram, there are 16 or more than prepositions. Preposition is very important, and that's why grammarian called preposition is a governing word of the sentence. That means this preposition has maintained and balanced the whole sentence. So preposition is very important to make a sentence, to short a sentence or to large a sentence, no doubt that. And that's why it is called a governing word in a sentence. So dear students, I think all my students are fit and fine, and so let's get it start our my class. Today I shall discuss preposition with a diagram. If students you attentively see my watching my lecture, you will get benefit, no doubt that. This diagram, if you memorize or if you memorize this diagram system, then you can don't forget the using of preposition. Dear student, I already given this class name is diagram with preposition. Learning preposition with the diagram. The headline I'm reading mostly use some common preposition describe the diagram. That means learn preposition with a diagram. The student, you noticed Some prepositions are writing on the whiteboard, such as above, over, on, in, to, towards, into, through, across, from, out of, by, along, below, under, beneath, etc. Dear student, now I am describing one by one for your opportunity to get the memorize, how to memorize you, and you will learn after the class such type of prepositions. At first, I am going to describe about to and towards. Dear students, look at my whiteboard. To and towards. That means to point out something. To or towards means both the words have same meaning. That means point out someone. Directly point out. In Bangla, to toward means dike. Now give the example of these two prepositions. First, Jinia went to college. That means Jinia went to college. She did go to college. That means notice or point out a situation. At first, student, there is a question: when we used to, where we used towards. We used to the main purpose of the work, and we use towards not the main purpose. That means someone has done the work. Second example is they are going towards the station. There is someone going to the station, but they have to walk in that place. But the first example is that Jinia went to college. That means Jinia did go to college. So I think we can understand the difference between to and towards, why we use to and why we used towards. Now I am giving the discussion about from. From is totally vice versa or opposition word of to or towards. Please look at my diagram. If you want to learn preposition at the time, you must always follow my diagram. From is totally opposition word of to or towards. Now I am giving the example of from, then it is clear. Jinia this is the third example of from. Jannat came from the college. Jannat came from the college. That means she returned from the college. Here we can meaning from means back. Return from the college. Return from the college. Our first example is Jinia went to college. The aim. And the third example of the form is word Jannat came from the college. Back from the college. Now now I'm giving the examples of above, over, and on. Please look at my whiteboard and follow the diagram. On means touch. When any kind of substance or object we put somewhere, at that time where we put and the substance must touch with that, and then and this perspective we must use on. Now give the example of the on. The book is on the table. The book is on the table. That means the book touched the table. The book is on the table. That means the book touched the table. Directly, no doubt that. And then I give the example of over. While we used over, we must over use above my over my head, and there is space, and there is a space over my head, and there is always a space. Now I am giving the example. The bird flew over my head. That means the bird did fly my. That means the bird did fly in the sky over my head. The next example is above. Above means space. Many space. It is cannot be touched or beyond touch. Just you can imagination. Third example is the sky is above my head. The sky is above my head. It is impossible to touch any kind of person to touch the sky. And the third example is that the sky is above my head. Dear student, if you memorize all over above, at the time you must know that below under vina. That means all over above, totally vice versa or alternative is below under vina. Now I am giving the example of below, under, and vinat. Below, the ball is below the basket. That means below. What you use below? Below, that means under, but substance must touch with the object. Here, the ball is below the basket. That means the ball is under and the basket is on the basket, and both the ball and basket are touched. Next example is under. The cat is under the table. The cat is under the table, but not the touch. There is space between the two. Third, vina, they lived beneath the mountain. The mountain. And that's why we do not we understand they lived beneath the mountain. Now I am giving the description of preposition in. In or why we use in? We used in a boundary. Or the person or object maybe or may not be moving or not moving. But there is a boundary. Here the example is that Fasar is in the classroom. That means Fasar is in the classroom. There is a boundary. Classroom has a boundary, and Fasar is in the classroom. It has a boundary. And without Fasar has taking class or not taking class is not point out, but Fasar is in the classroom. That means Fasar is surrounded with a boundary. Now, dear student, now we learn about into. Tabitha entered into the classroom. Into, why we used into? There are two types of use of into. Into has two meaning. The action of a work, the work has action, and the moving action, live action. That means Tabitha entered into the room. That means when Tabitha going to this room, at the time she has a force. And another example is into. That means totally change the situation. Water changes into vapor. Vapor. That means totally water, and now it is vapor. Now I am giving the example of out of. Here the example is Jinya came out of the room. That means boundary, and he or she come out of that boundary, and at the time we use out of. It is a boundary, and he or she must out from this boundary, and that's why we used out of. Now I am giving the last part of the preposition, throw and across. And now and then by and along. Now I am giving the example of throw and across. Across in Bangla means already. Throw is very important. They went home through the jungle. That means there are two types of situation, and throw passed all the situations. They went to home. They did go home through the jungle. From the jungle. That is the real meaning. Across in Bangla means already. Don't run across the road. Don't run across the road. Here the example of the already. Don't swimming across the river. Don't swimming across the river. So dear student, now in the last preposition of the two, by and alone. Alone means barabar in Bangla. By she was walking by the riverside. That means one kind of road, and that means the side. She was walking by the riverside, and then the next example is go along the road. That is straight. Along means straight. Go along the road. Dear student, today I shall want to finish my lecture here. Next time I will come with you with another new lecture or another new video and any kind of another new topic for my dear students. Now it is the second of coronavirus running, and that's why everybody should stay home to protect coronavirus from their community, no doubt that. And that's why always stay home. If needed, then you can come out in a public place and use mask or face mask, etc. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.